Hi everyone, I'm Diana Palm of DianaPalm.com, and I've got a special message for you today. If your life is fallen apart and you've literally lost everything, stay tuned because there's something you really need to know. So what do you do when you've literally lost everything? The answer may surprise you, and it's not what you think. The first thing I want to say is congratulations, you woke up. And I know that's unexpected, right? That's not what you thought you were going to hear from me today. But I do want to say congratulations. Your soul chose this. Your soul chose the experiences that you've already had, and it has chosen this now. And just so you know, I don't take this information lightly. I've literally started over in my life at least 4 different times, so I do know how to rebuild a broken life. The first thing that you really need to know is that you are not being punished. The second thing you need to really know is that this is not happening to you. You're an active participant in the creation of this design. I know what you're thinking. It sure seems like everything is happening to you. But let me share a little secret about this. Because when your soul is urging you to get back on path and to find a different purpose, everything in the universe lines up to assist you in this process. And what it looks like is that your whole entire life is falling apart. It doesn't mean that the life you had wasn't right. It was right for the time. Something along the way got you off your path. And perhaps you just learned all the lessons you were meant to learn. And yes, you do have a soul's purpose. Your soul and everybody's soul has a very important reason for being here. When you're in the midst of this change, the tendency most humans have is to really hold on to everything and try to keep it in its place. Rather than holding on to it with every fiber of your being, think about releasing it so that you can actually allow your new life to appear for you, because it is on its way, I promise. Now I know this can feel scary, confusing, and it can bring up a lot of different emotions. You cannot avoid, delay, or resist this change. You've already avoided, delayed, and resisted long enough, which is why you're in this situation right now. It's come to a head. It's no longer possible for you to be in that energy. And the quicker you understand that, the quicker you can really embrace your new life path and find happiness and joy again. You're free now. You're free to create the life that you've really been desiring and wanting to live. And your soul has been leading you here all along. Here are 7 tips for you on how to create a new life purpose and heal from a broken life. When you review what you have been through recently, it's really important for you not to put any blame on others. The quicker you can release your resentments and move forward, really clearly understanding and identifying that they played the role they were supposed to with you to move you forward, the quicker you can accept your new happiness. It's really beneficial to spend some quiet time alone and reflect on the choices you made. You can usually go back and pinpoint the time when your choices took you off your path. I want you to just take a moment and think about that and pinpoint what those times were so that you understand that that is not going to happen again. Now that you know what the choices were that were inauthentic, I want you to create a new life plan that feels really authentic to you. So if you have not followed your heart, I want that to be at the top of your list. If you have not pursued your hobby, your passion, your desire, your special gifts that you came into this world with, now's the time for you to do that. Find the purpose in this transition that you're going through and truly recognize your strengths and all the many lessons that you've learned through going through this. Be thankful for this opening because it truly is an opening for you to recreate who you are in the world. This is your opportunity to live your most authentic life. Be of service. Find out how you can use this struggle and challenging time in your life to reach out and help somebody else that may be going through it as well. Allow yourself to be happy again. Allow yourself to have new experiences in life and in love. And I've got just one more final tip for you. You are not a survivor, because saying that you're a survivor implies that you were first a victim and then had to survive something. See if you can change the way you think and speak about this, and understand that you're actually a co-creator that helped design this crisis for all the many soul benefits and lessons that you learned from it. And the truth is, you're a magnificent co-creator. You designed this. You designed this challenge for yourself because you knew it would grow your soul. You knew you would gain clarity, strength, determination, integrity for who you are as a person, and become more authentically you and have something bigger to offer the world. So amazing you, amazing you. So I want to say congratulations. You've reached this video because you have decided to let your life fall apart so that you could recreate it better. And I'm so happy for you that you've taken up this challenge and that you're now on your path and your life purpose, because you will be led. You will be led to your most authentic, happy life. Don't forget to like this video, and if you love somebody that could really use a boost and would benefit from hearing this, please share it with them as well. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to hear more like this. I post a new video every single Thursday. And remember, you can do this. You're amazing. You're a co-creator.